What's going on? Here we are on the Sam and Jaron channel, and today we have an 8-inch exhaust tip with a 4-inch inlet. Now, a lot of you probably have a big cool lifted truck and you're wondering how your truck would sound if you put one of these bad boys on it. So today we're just going to do a quick little demo on my 6-liter. It has a 4-inch downpipe, 4-inch exhaust coming out the back. So we're going to run it with no tip, and then we're going to throw this thing on so you guys can hear the difference and see if this thing is worth your money. This here is $80, and personally it's a little bit big for my taste, but we're going to throw it on there and see what it sounds like. So here we go. Alright, so you heard it. That was the 4-inch to 8-inch exhaust. It was definitely louder, probably twice as loud to us. Obviously the camera, which is a GoPro by the way, won't pick that up quite as good as a human ear, but it was definitely louder. I would say if you're looking to look cool as you're ripping down the streets, you definitely need one of these because it makes it a lot more growlier, and if you have a turbo, which all new trucks do, it whistles way louder, so the girls will definitely be seeing you. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. We'll be seeing you soon in another one. And yeah, thanks for watching.